Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Waste Management is a Fortune 500 company within the environmental and facilities services industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.3%. Earnings growth, 16.3%. Earnings estimates, 12.25%. Return on capital, 11.82%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.75 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.61%. Payout ratio, 47.42%. Growth rate, 7%. Growth years, 18 years. That gives Waste Management 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate Waste Management if you already own it in your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Waste Management is fairly valued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.